Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Griselda Agatha. I'm from class 0XIGP007, and to complete my final exam, I will presenting my research titled Word Classes in Laufey Bewitched song album. So in this slide, I will explain the introduction. Language is our primary means of communication. It is facilitating interaction that allow us to share ideas, emotion, and information. Developing and improving vocabulary is very crucial. Lover explained, vocabulary is very important in writing for expressing ideas effectively with words that are not often used. So we can summarize that the absence of our powerful vocabulary can render communication meaningless. Understanding grammar aids in using words appropriately and effectively with morphology, providing a framework for classifying and constructing words. This process helps in understanding how different word classes contribute to the overall meaning of text. Artists' mastery of language and word classes is evident in their literary works such as novels, poems, essays, and song lyrics, where word classification allows for the effective conveyance of the message. So, in Laufey's Bewitched song album, her lyrics demonstrate the use of various word classes including nouns, verbs, adjective, and adverb, which can be analyzed through the lens of morphology to understand how word classification enhance the expressive power of her music. So, based on the background problem discussed before, the problem can be stated as follows. First, what type of word classes are found in the Song of Laufey Bewitched album? This question aims to identify and categorize the different type of word classes to determine which word classes are predominantly used and contribute to the meaning of the song. And then, second, what characteristic of word classes are found in the Song of Laufey Bewitched album? This question delves into the specific features and function of the word classes. This might include their usage patterns and the roles they play in conveying themes. And for the scope and limitation, the study examines morphology in Laufey Bewitched album, analyzing word classes across 12 songs, aiming to provide a comprehensive analysis of lyrical content. The study has two functions. First, theoretical function. It's to advance knowledge in morphology, focusing on understanding word categorization and their application in text, with a particular emphasis on different word classes. And second, practical function. It's to instructive research for readers and future scholars, providing insight into the various type of word class and its use in words. Related study. This review assists the study in identifying similar research that has been undertaken on the subject. The first research study was conducted by Destiana 2022 entitled An Analysis Word Classes in Jakarta Post, and the second research was implemented by Nopikasari et al. 2018 entitled Analysis Word Classes in Selected Poem by Alan Alexander Milne. And the last related study was conducted by Afriya et al. 2022 entitled Analysis of Word Classes in Short Story Maaf by Putu Wijaya, Morphological Studies. The similarities of all three studies show in exploring the study of word classes and using qualitative method. However, the difference lies in the level of the object of focus of the study. Destiana 2022 used the Jakarta Post as the object, Nopekasari et al. Used Alan Alexander Poem as object, and Afriya et al. Used Putu Wijaya short story Maaf as the object. And the focus of the study on Destiana and Afriya is to explore several type word classes that are found, while Nopikasari et al. Only focused on three major word classes: it noun, verb, and adjective. Review of literature. Morphology. As Zage explained, morphology is crucial for linguistics as it studies the structure and function of word forms contributing to the classification. Word class. Word class is classification of words based on their function and the roles they play in a sentence. And the type of word classes, Blake argued that English are generally divided into 9 classes: nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, article, and interjection. And word token, according to Abigail, is the process of splitting sentence and words into their smallest morpheme called a token. So in here we have fourth type is an important concept in morphological analysis that is used to count the number of distinct words in text without taking into account the repetition to the same word. And lexeme is a theoretical construct that stands for the unitary meaning and shared syntactic property of group of word forms. Songs are highly structured art forms that convey complex association of meaning beyond everyday spoken language. So the study employs a theoretical framework based on the study of morphology with specific focus on Panagiotides' theory in categorical features, this providing a comprehensive framework for understanding how words are classified and they function within sentence. With the context of Laufey lyrics approach allow for detailed analysis of how different word classes are used to convey meaning and change the expressive quality of the music. The study will be using descriptive qualitative as the approach. Descriptive qualitative, as described by Creswell and Creswell 2017, is an approach that studies a subject by examining it extensively and providing a thorough description. And for the data research of the study will take from 14 songs on Laufey album Bewitched in Spotify music platform. And for the data collection method that being used in the study is document method. According to Bowe 2009, document analysis is a systematic procedure for reviewing or evaluating documents, including text or photos that were recorded without the participation of researcher. This document will be analyzed by several steps. First, listening, second, note-taking, and last, identifying. And for the data analysis in this study will be used qualitative method and Panagiotides word classes theory. And according to Creswell, qualitative research focuses on understanding and interpreting the meaning of human experiences and social phenomena. And Panagiotides theory provides a framework for categorizing and understanding these word classes based on their categorical feature by employing qualitative method and Panagiotides theory. We can conduct in a deep analysis of the lyrics, identifying different word classes and exploring their roles in conveying meaning and emotion. So that's all about my presentation for today. I'm sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.